how are you doing today? So today's video is all about a moisturizer review, and this is my favorite Clinique moisturizer. Now this is for 125 ml and it costs 3650 rupees, Indian rupees. But if you can get hands on this product from US, it's $26, so it will be around 1700-1800 rupees for you, so you'll save a lot of money there. So this is how the packaging look. I have always I think from last 4 months I've been using Clinique and the 3-step system. I will link the video down below, the entire skincare range, and this is the moisturizer. Now I love this, okay, and even if it was the 1 month supply I bought, it lasted me for 2.5 months using twice a day. So imagine if this is a 125 ml bottle, it's going to last me, I think, a year or more than that. So this is how the packaging is. It comes with a cap and then a pump, which is awesome. The packaging is a little classy because obviously it's very expensive, and you have a manual which you can read if you want. But this says dramatically different moisturizing lotion plus with pump, very dry to dry combination skin, 125 ml, and it also says many things. Probably I'll link down the details in the bottom description bar so you can read it. Let's not waste time. So this is a very good moisturizer. I mean, I have never ever used such a light moisturizer ever. This one is so light that you can actually use it in the daytime as well, even in the summers. But about these moisturizers, you know, once you buy those moisturizers where you spend so much money and you can't really return them, because, you know, once you buy it, you buy it. But at least if you're paying so much, you get a good value of it, because if it doesn't suit you, you can always go back to the Clinique store and they will work out a good moisturizer for you which will suit your skin. And till the time it will suit your skin, they are going to, you know, give you products or replacements of these. I love this moisturizer. It's very light on skin. I mean, you can use as a makeup base. It does not really break your makeup if you like wear this moisturizer and then your makeup. I'll quickly swatch for you guys. A small pump. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's, as I said, it's very light. See, can you? And it melts into your skin within seconds. Your skin enough. I mean, you don't really need anything extra. This one is more than enough for your day and night time. Obviously, if you want something extra, you can add on to it. But this one is a very basic moisturizer and it will suit your skin. I mean, you can work it out till the time it suits your skin. They'll change. They have 2 types. This is the lotion plus and the other one is the gel one. Okay, so looks similar actually. I don't really see any difference, but maybe the formulation is a little different or the ingredients. Dry and dry to combination, whereas the gel one, it is for oily to combination, if that makes sense. There are 4 skin types, and a video below which gives a description about those Clinique products. The 3-step Clinique, which is this one, is a part of it, so you can check that video. It's an amazing investment, I believe. And that's all I have to say for this. It's a very good moisturizer if you're looking for one. It's huge. You just need 1 pump for your entire face, so you can imagine how long this is going to last. I'll see you next time. Bye.